Kentucky for race number 4, I guess, of this season, and no prep room 6. Here we go again, race our way in. Fortunately, we're not the only ones, but unfortunately, we're still here racing our way in.
See you again, we get the station tomorrow.
Just like that.
Drew, one of our teammates, Jerry Bird. I hated that because Jerry ran real good. He's the one that knocked Ryan out last week. We worked on some stuff on the car, trying to pick the thing up. I was a little frustrated over getting outrun by Caleb by inches or less. So found some more power, got some stuff going there. Ran Jerry. I'm not sure what the deal was. He said he couldn't see the tree. As soon as we were both staged, he let the button go and he just checked out. He went red. Man, there's been a gazillion red lights tonight. I don't know exactly why, if there's that many people been trying to take stabs at the tree again. Hopefully they're gonna get a handle on that. You know, these guys have learned their lesson with all the red lights tonight, so hopefully everybody will pull the reins in a little bit for tomorrow. But Jerry was out. We made a nice first run. Hopped it up for him because I knew that he was going to be fast. He was either going to be probably not make it down or be fast. He made a nice run. Unfortunately, he gave it up on the tree by going red. So we're into the race, or we're into the invitational for Saturday, which is what we needed to be. Now we just need to win that first round tomorrow. Get out of this crazy race your way in. I mean, there's still, I think, 3 team captains that didn't make it in tonight. Dave, Dean, Bodie, that at least come to mind. Murillo got a lucky chip. I think Dave got back in, but regardless, it's just crazy out there, the people that are in the race your way in, and I want the heck out of there. So if we can get a decent draw tomorrow, get past first round, then we won't have to race our way in at that meeting. See if we can go some rounds tomorrow. Once again, I think we've found some power. I think things will be better with the car. Temperature's going to be 10 degrees warmer. Sun's going to be on the racetrack. Today it was overcast, so the conditions are going to be totally different tomorrow. So everybody's going to have to be on their game, including us, and try and calm these things down a little bit to get down the racetrack. So all in all, we're happy. We'll see what this interview looks like tomorrow at this time. Hopefully we've got a wad full of cash and we've done well, but still real optimistic. The car's done good, and like I said, we picked up some power, so that's a good deal also. So see how things go tomorrow, and we'll let you know then. Struggled a little with a couple of runs. Went down first round today, got beat by Giuseppe, which he's number 4 in points and he's fast, along with everybody else right now. So didn't feel terrible about that. Got in a big tire and went out and made 2 runs in that. been watching a little bit of an issue here for actually the last couple of races. I think we've got a little bit of a shock issue. I hope that's what it is. So, because if it is, it'll be easy to fix. So we need to address that. Things like been trying to, walk down the edge of a razor blade this weekend. So it's either too much, not enough. Everybody here is fast, and there's no reason we shouldn't be too. So, going to try and regroup. We've only got a couple of days. So I'll get back home tomorrow night, Sunday night, leave out again Wednesday morning for New Hampshire. So we've got to get a lot done in a couple of days. So see if we can regroup. New Hampshire's always been decent to me, so that's where we debuted this thing about 4 years ago. But we'll see what happens. Go from there. Once again, everybody is crazy fast right now. I mean, you had Kai Kelly in Outlaw Big Tire tonight. You had Ryan Martin that got beat first round, which also has to race his way in again next weekend. So the who's who list, I mean, just keeps going on. Kai won the first 2 races. Now he didn't make it past first round. So it just goes to explain to everybody or show everybody how competitive this field is getting right now. Just can't emphasize enough how competitive it is, and just one small little bitty mistake cost you the race. So see everybody in New Hampshire next weekend, and hopefully we can pick up the pace and get back to where we were in Virginia and Brandon.